How to start numbering of pages from a specific page in Word document. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any Word document file. Go to the multiple pages from which you want to start the numbering. Here I'm going to number 3. After that, click on the cursor. Then after you need to go to page layout. Click on break and choose the option of next page. After that, again go to insert. In the tab, you will see the insert option. Click on it and choose the option of page number. Then after, choose any style which you want, either at the top of the page, bottom of the page or at the margin of the page. Click on any choice. And now, after the page number has been edited, simply go to page number and click on the drop down menu at the top. Once you do, you see the option of format page number. Click on it and from this tab, click on start at and click on 1. Now as you can see, even though this page is the page 3rd of my document, the page numbering starts from 1. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.